Hello my dear children, today in this video we are going to study chapter 3 negative sentences. First of all, we will read these sentences. Read the following sentences: affirmative sentences and negative sentences. She is a singer, she is not a singer. Not is added there. They are good players, they are not good players. I am an expert driver, I am not an expert driver. He was present there, he was not present there. They were students, they were not students. Now these sentences are called the affirmative sentences, and these sentences are called the negative sentences because not is there. Okay, so what are negative sentences? Negative sentences are the sentences that expresses a refusal or denial. Clear? What are negative sentences? Sentences that express a refusal or denial. Exercise B, read the following sentences. Again, affirmative and negative. The gardener is watering the plants. What will be the negative sentence? The gardener is not watering the plants. The cows are grazing. The cows are not grazing. The baby is crying. The baby is not crying. She was going home. She was not going home. They were reading the newspaper. They were not reading the newspaper. Children, you should remember this thing and try to understand. The negative sentences in present continuous tense or past continuous tense is formed with am, is, are, plus not is included, plus present participle, that is ing form and present continuous tense, and was, were, plus not, plus present participle, ing form and past continuous tense. Now children, see exercise C, read the following sentences. I eat an apple every day. I do not eat an apple every day. She cleans her room every day. She does not clean her room every day. He plays the piano skillfully. He does not play the piano skillfully. Mohit arrived very late. Mohit did not arrive very late. It rained heavily yesterday. It did not rain heavily yesterday. The negative sentence in present simple or past simple tense is formed with, for example, do or does. I do not eat an apple. Clear? Plus base form of verb and present simple. And did plus not. For example, it did not plus base form of the verb rained heavily yesterday. Exercise D, read the following sentences. I have a computer. I have no computer. We have a house in Mumbai. We have no house in Mumbai. He has a sister. He has no sister. She has a notebook. She has no notebook. They had a camera. They had no camera. Sentence containing have, has, or had show possession. Possession means belonging, ownership. The negative sentence is formed with have, has, had plus no. Here we use no. No is another negative word which means not any. So no is also the negative word. General rules for making negative sentences. Try to understand. The word not is placed between the helping verb and the main verb. For example, she is. What is this? Helping verb. Laughing. What is laughing? Main verb. If we place not in between helping verb and main verb, it will become the negative sentence. She is not laughing. The word not is jointly used with the Modal verb can also. They cannot do it. And the third rule, the following negative contractions, verb plus not, are generally used in the English language. See the full form, am not, and short form, am and apostrophe T. Is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, were, and apostrophe T. So, children, you should go through this and you should learn all the short forms. Now, we will do the book exercises. A. Write the contracted forms of the verbs given in the brackets. I do not, don't like coffee. We did not, didn't go there. She does not, doesn't watch television. Their behavior was not, wasn't, was an apostrophe. Good. They were not, weren't present in the meeting. He cannot, can't solve this sum. She will not, won't. Children will, no, you will write won't. Sing a song. You should not, shouldn't. Misbehave with her. We shall not. SHAN apostrophe shan't. Participate in the drama. We must not. Must and apostrophe T. Disobey the laws. Exercise B. Change the following into negative sentences. She is a nurse. She is not a nurse. They are friends. They are not friends. He was in the office. He was not in the office. We were neighbors. We were not neighbors. You can go now. You cannot go now. It may rain today. It may not rain today. He tells a lie. He does not tell a lie. They speak Russian fluently. They cannot speak Russian fluently. They talk to one another. They do not talk to one another. The bus arrived very late. The bus did not arrive very late. They waited for us. They did not wait for us. He is driving a car. He is not driving a car. The carpenter was making furniture. The carpenter was not making furniture. She is knitting a sweater. She is not knitting a sweater. Farmers are plowing the fields. Farmers are not plowing the fields. Exercise C. Read the following sentences and write whether they are affirmative or negative. He is not doing his homework. Not is used, so it is negative. We had old furniture. Affirmative. I have no mobile phone. Negative. They are my friends. Affirmative. She has two brothers. Affirmative. Dinner is ready. Affirmative. She will not read the story. Negative. Neha is a pretty girl. Affirmative. He did not do his homework. Negative. Children are making a noise. Affirmative. Exercise D. Tick the correct answer. Dash Ankita watching a film at the cinema. Is. Minu is good at Ludo, but Helen does not play well. Mr. Dubey is driving a school bus. Does Mr. Shukla work at a restaurant? Mr. and Mrs. Gupta don't go to a language class. I am not resting today. I have got a lot of work to do. I'm afraid I am not doing well in this exam. Dear children, in your notebook, you should write down this question. Define negative sentences, give example. Negative sentences express a refusal or denial. For example, she is not a good singer. The baby is not crying. I have no computer. So, my dear children, with this we have completed the chapter. Please revise the chapter, note it down properly, neatly, and try to study hard. Work hard and God will help you. May God bless you all. Thank you.